The UrbanCarry Pro has a maximum riding speed of 28 miles per hour. Our ride offers 3 riding modes. So you turn off the power, use the pedals, and it fully functions just like a bicycle. You turn off the power, refrain from using the accelerator, and you can use the pedals, and then it functions as a pedal-assisted bike. Thirdly, you turn on the power, no need for pedal, just throttle, and it becomes a fully powered electric bike. Therefore, this bike is suitable for various riding scenarios, and it caters for different riding experiences. The golden triangle design that we have here, it is the relationship between the pedaling, the seating post, and the handlebars, ensuring a seamless riding with a good balance. The user-friendly features such as the step-through frame, it makes the UrbanCarry Pro accessible to riders of all age, the women, the elderly, and those who have some serious issues and then they cannot hop on. So it makes it easy for them. So here we do have the front forks, and these ones are meshed with the fat tire right here to make it easy to provide shock absorption. Featuring a comfortable velour cushion that is larger than ordinary cushions, the UrbanCarry Pro provides enhanced comfort. Compared to the front loading, we have the UrbanCarry Pro, which offers a superior control with its main load being positioned here on the back. This configuration which aligns with the traditional bicycle riding method, resulting in the easy control. In contrast, tricycles with the front loads demand a higher level of control. Additionally, in terms of speed, 2-wheeled bikes are faster than the 3-wheeled bike. However, despite all these explanations, the true comfort and experience of riding the far bike can only be appreciated through the first-hand experience.